Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device meets requirements. Android 9 or newer and at least 2 GB RAM, plus 3 5 GB free for games. Once done, enable unknown sources in settings so you can install APKs not from the store. Next, pick an Xbox emulator build that matches your CPU ARM or x86. Download the APK using a secure connection and do not install yet. Instead, verify the file size and checksum so you avoid incomplete or tampered packages. Now install the APK and accept runtime permissions for storage and controller input. These let the emulator read game files and map buttons. If the emulator needs BIOS or firmware files, place them in the app's designated folder. Follow the exact file name and path. Then open Settings and tune performance. Select CPU cores, set rendering resolution, and cap frames to balance speed and battery. Once configured, load a small game to test stability and observe temperature and frame pacing before larger titles. Finally, import your game files, ISO or supported image, into the emulator library and launch. Make sure you map controller buttons and set save states for quick recovery. Enable VSync to reduce screen tear if needed. If a game fails to load or crashes, first clear the app cache and restart the device, then recheck file integrity. If problems persist, try an alternate emulator build or lower rendering resolution and disable background apps to free memory. That usually resolves compatibility and performance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.